Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make money selling royalty-free music online. We're going to get right to the point, so let's dive right in. So I'm on Fiverr.com. You can come over here and you can sell services. You can also buy a bunch of different things on here, and millions of people on a daily basis do. But as a seller, what we're going to be talking about is selling stuff to your customers, selling music, okay? And then I'm going to show you how you can actually get music that you'll have commercial rights to sell to these customers. So if you just go over to Fiverr and you type in royalty-free music, you come up here and there's different ones that are selling. You're welcome to look at them. Like this one right here is selling for $95. They have five-star reviews, so they're selling a package. Most likely they put together, and you get commercial rights to it. So that's what's so attractive to the buyer that wants to buy these, is that they're going to get 70 of these meditation music tracks right here. We'll open it up. And what they'll be able to do is, if you're building a YouTube channel or something like that, you're able to get these really high quality royalty-free meditation tracks, and you'll get 70 of these. So in my mind, you've already got 70 videos that you'd be able to put together by purchasing this package, and you get commercial license and their high quality audio files. And they are selling. They have five-star reviews. So I would estimate they've probably made about 10 to 15 sales to get those 5 reviews. And you can just read more about it, but really, really good stuff. Okay, so we come back over here, start searching through some of this stuff, right? So I'll give you 3,000 royalty-free tracks, and they have 24 5-star reviews, and that's only for $5. So we'll come over here and check that one out, right? So they have one order in the queue, okay? So and all they would have to do is, they're giving 3,000 of these away. That is just incredible. And you can check out and listen to what they sound like. And there's cinematic stuff. There's classical, country, dance, all these different genres of music inside there, right? Then we can come over here and check out another one. So I'll provide 102 meditation music tracks commercial free. So you get the license to them as well. They're selling for $35. They also have one order in their queue. So they have $35 in their queue. They have 407 reviews. That is amazing, right? So do a little math on that. So we go 400. So at 407, they've probably made, because I'm a seller and I believe that I have a higher percentage than most, but I get about 60 plus percent of the orders in my queue end up being reviews. But let's just go with about an average of, a lot of people will say only 25% of the time that you get reviews. So let's just say we'll meet in the middle. We'll go 50% of the reviews. So that means that we could take these 407 and double that, right? So they'd have 407, and that would be times 2. So they have 814 times the 35 that they have in their as their price, right? So they've this is showing that they've made $28,000 from this one gig right here. Really, really cool stuff, showing exactly what you get: nature, rain, flute, high quality, all kinds of really good stuff. Happy customers, 5-star. Here we go: United States, Italy, Germany. All these different reviews. People are really loving that gig as well. You can just keep coming through in here and looking. This one has 256 reviews, 5-star, 30 royalty-free meditation tracks. You can get hip-hop tracks. You can get all kinds of good stuff in here, right? So these people are making money by just selling stock footage. I'll provide you with 4,300 royalty-free sound effects. So this one's sound effects and things like that, right? And some of them are composers that are actually going to compose something for you. Like this one right here, it's going to be $200, and this guy will compose, from start to finish something for you. But what you can also do is so the cool thing about these gigs as well is that when you have an order in here, all this person has to do is go in, and all you have to do if you're a seller, right, is just click on something. Like Fiverr's made it really easy to deliver these gigs. You can save the files on, say, Google Drive or wherever else you're going to host your files. And then you can create a share link. And then when a customer places their order, all you have to do is go in there and just simply use a template that says, here is your delivery and here is your link. And then you just push send, and then the order is fulfilled. It only took you a couple clicks of a button, and you have you make $35 instantly, right? And these 102 high professional quality tracks, this person's selling them over and over, right? These ones are not unique. They're selling these over and over to the same customers, to 800, 900 customers. And they're making $35 every time, like clockwork. All right. So this is really, really cool. Another place that you could go to sell these audios, royalty-free music tracks, is Audio Jungle. You could go to Audio Jungle, and you could become a seller here. Now, I'm not saying, I know for a fact that Fiverr will work, okay? But I'm not going to stake my claim that it's going to work over here. But they have a 1.5 million tracks on here. They might go through a more stringent process of looking up your files to see how unique they are. But this is just an idea. And then also there is another one called Pond 5 you can also go and check out, right? So that's the strategy, is posting over here, post these over here. But where do you get these music files? Where does this person get 3,000 royalty-free music tracks to post on Fiverr and then make money around the clock, right? Well, there's a product that just came out, and it's called Big Audio Club. And you can come over here, click the link for more information about this. But essentially what this is that this product, I've never seen a product this well put together when it comes to audio files and royalty-free music, right? And so what this is you're going to get commercial rights to, I believe, 5,000, a library of 5,000 premium quality audios that are all divided up into different categories, and they're all high quality MP3 files. And the coolest part about this is you usually have to pay a membership for something like this, but right here you pay once. You pay one time at special, only the launch of this product. You pay one time and you get access to 5,000 royalty free stock audios. Really, really cool stuff. So you get thousands of them. I believe it's 5,000. And look, they will have in different genres: instrumental, piano, rock, techno, electronic, guitar, intros, outros, pop, epic, country, upbeat, anything you can think of. And you can scroll down here and you can check out. You can see the quality of this. Really, really good stuff that you're going to get access to, and then it's really, really cheap as well, as far as the price is concerned. So you just get really, really cool stuff. With that one, drum beat. So those are really good tracks, and look, you can just see all kinds of stuff. There are some motivational type stuff, piano, inspirational, power motivational. So you can see that there's a really, really good quality on this set that you're getting, right? And right now there's 6 hours. The price will increase again. And I believe it's going right now for $28.70 at the time of this recording, on November 23rd, 2020. And so you are going to get, at launch, they're doing a 50% off. So the price will go up to around $97 after launch. There's a 30-day money back guarantee and all kinds of stuff, all kinds of questions and answers down here. So if this is something that you would be interested in, you could go in here and get 5,000 of these and post all kinds of different gigs over here on Fiverr and just sell these to people looking for some high quality music tracks. Go ahead and pick this up through my link, the Big Audio Club. And I put together a bonus pack for you as well. So this is make money selling royalty-free music, deliver tracks to your customers, and instantly profit. So if you pick up Big Audio Club from my link, all you have to do is just come over here and click one of these links. It'll take you to the sales page, and then it will, once you purchase, then you will get immediate access to my bonuses, special bonuses. I put this special bonus together. I'm going to add 122 high quality additional royalty-free background music tracks for you. So this one is very, very unique. I spent the time to put this pack together for you, and I've uploaded this to Google Drive. So as soon as you make the purchase of Big Audio Club, you will get access to this immediately as well. Then you will also get access to Google Display Network hacks, so how to do more advertising and that sort of thing. And then also, because if you want to increase your sales on Fiverr and bring more sales to your gig over here, then having access to these other traffic hacks, you could also create some really cool pins and build your account on Pinterest and get more traffic to Fiverr that way as well. And so that's what this goes over as well. So there's my bonus pack. If you're interested, the link will be in the description. And that is today's Make Money Online strategy, is selling royalty-free music on Fiverr. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next upload. And until next time, take care.